2,228 winners total. Brian 103123, Crazy and Andy, top winners here. Congratulations, everybody, on your winnings. Betting chance off again. Let's go. Lights out bets. Join us again. I had some papaya with orange juice. Feeling healthy today. Oh, that's nice. I wish I had that healthy feeling every day. No more bets. Thank you, everybody. So what did you, everyone, have for breakfast this morning? Bets are closed? Good luck. Have you been in Georgia, the country? No, I have not been to Georgia, no. I would love to travel there. I would honestly love to go there. But, you know, who knows? Maybe someday I will go there, for sure. 2x Crazy 10,000, everybody. I guess I need to wait for the great weather, but also great weather in Latvia when it's the great weather for everybody else in the world. Come on! Doubling up that crazy time! Woo! Baby, that's what I'm talking about. Are you ready? Come. What are you waiting for? Go to crazy time. Woo! Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. That 2x top slot crazy time. Whoop, whoop. Oh, my. Decision time. It will be there after we double up the fun on the wheel. Woo! Yes. There we go. Okay, there's a triple on the wheel as well. And now the decision time. Green, blue, yellow. Choose the color of the flapper, baby. $400x is the maximum multiplier. Good luck to you. For yellow team, 40x blue, 50x green, 400x for 1,512 of you. Woo! Ah! 5,640 winners total. Top winner with a third. Lifetime quality and off-cheap top winners too. Congratulations, everybody. Betting is open one more shot like this. Could we possibly, please, 50x and then on the wheel? No more bets. Good luck, everybody. $20x cash. Come on, we have to. We must. Please. You did it! Yes! 20x top slot. Cash in, baby. That's what I'm talking about. How about this one, huh? How about it? Welcome to Cash in, babes. Oh, mama. 100x right there. Wait. Just wait a second, okay? Wait. You know what's happening? 20x is happening. This is so pretty! Ah! Ladies and gentlemen, 2000x is the maximum multiplier. Can you believe it? Oh, is it hot in here? So hot. After the shuffle and the carousel multiply men always match with the segment it was covering it before. But ladies and gentlemen, make your decision right now. You can only choose one target. If you choose nothing, AutoPick will do the choosing for you. I wish you best of luck getting that 2000x. Ooh, yes. Come on, let's do this. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, right now, 108 possible choices. You have made that decision of yours. I know it. I will go with feeling a bunny. Everything is so good here that I just... Which bunny? What do we think? I'm thinking that one. 200 days for me. Where are you? I cannot see you, but we got 125 of you who got it. 634 of you who got thousands. Yes! 8,555 winners total.
Here we go. Go check it out. Face down with a 5X. 5X. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, yes, look at that. Now, isn't that something absolutely special? Oh, this is beautiful. Let's go. Welcome. Look at that 5X from the top slot. A lot of doubles, guys. There's a lot of potential over here. Choose one of the flappers. All right, guys, the majority of the players are going for the blue flapper. 45% of the players there. 500X is the max. Let's go. Check the monies. There it is. $100 and $100 and a double for Team Green. Time to see the cash, ladies and gentlemen. 1000X. Some wonderful potential there. Oh, baby, there you go. 350X for Team Green.
Woo, guys! Congratulations to all the winners. Enjoy. Guess who's here? All right, guys. 350X and
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.